All right, this is Dan's hive with Gabby here. Week 3. Let's see what happens. Gabby's hive had 4 nice frames of brood.
Oh, it's loose.
Yeah, this one they started eating the syrup right away. Oh, you gotta pop it. They glued it. Just stick it in there. Yep. All right.
Wait, let's see how you did it. You did it here?
You're gonna hold it up. Look for the queen. Here. And then I just go. Doesn't look like they're touching the patty, huh?
No.
Might as well just get rid of that. They're not eating it. All right, Gab, you want to give them a puff of smoke?
Give me.
Oh. Just a little puff. Just let them know we're here. There you go. That's good. You stick it on the brick, Gav. There you go. All right, so you want to do it this time?
I could try.
All right, so put the pry bar in here. Try not to squish a bee.
Here?
Nope.
So
And pry it. You're going to push all the frames over. You're going to break the glue. No, you got to really. Ready? Keep your hand on it. Keep your hand on it. Ready?
Oh.
Okay.
That much force?
You don't want it. Yeah. You don't need to and twist it. Don't bend.
Oh, like
Twist.
that.
Yeah, but you don't put it
Oh, I
over
see.
here. Don't put it on these.
Okay, so here.
Yep. And that's good. Now pop it here. Nope. In here. Put it in here.
The same way?
Yep. Pop
Like
it.
that?
And pop it. Now grab your frame puller.
Oh.
Well, you have gloves on.
I don't remember you seeing doing this.
So put your frame puller on and squeeze and pull gently. Just wiggle a little. There you go. And just pull them out gently. Keep everything over the hive in case the queen's ever on the frame. Then you just kind of lay it down on the frame. Let go with that. You can throw that on the ground now because you won't need it again. And now you do your inspection.
I know you hold it here all the time.
Yeah. You just do it over the hive. So we got honey. Right? And how about the other side?
You do this very fluently.
Oh, you get practice. So we got honey, but no queen on there. So now just lean it up against that thing, the hive cover, and try not to squish any bees. There you go. All right, you're good.
Oh, it's I want it to fall.
Yeah, you don't want it to fall. Okay. Now just pry that one towards you. Look at them all looking at you.
You did it this way.
See them all looking at you?
They are?
Yeah, look at them all. They're like, what are you doing?
Ah!
Yep, and now just pull that one out. I know, it's hard with the...
It's okay, we'll figure it out. It's amazing how you do
Oh, you gotta, now you gotta use your top thing and break. This is a broken one. Nope, spin it around.
I left you the toe.
All right, over the hive. Oh, it's all pollen. Beautiful, huh? See, that's why they're not eating the patty. There's plenty of pollen. How about the other side? How's it look?
Same.
Good.
Lots of pollen.
All right, just put it in. Put it kind of up against the wall of the box.
The gloves don't really
No, they're hard.
let you do the work.
They make it hard, I know. But you don't get stoned.
I mean, the way they are so peaceful, I don't think they will, but why risk it?
More pollen. I don't see the queen.
So lots of pollen.
Yeah.
This one, it's really,
Empty.
it's gonna need help over here.
Yeah. No eggs, right?
Nope, just pollen.
Okay. Here's a new one. Yeah, and then put them up against each other. And then you slide the whole thing over as one.
Oh, I forgot.
You just got to break that little seal. This is one that they were building out. Oh, wow, they really built this one out. Oh, it's all babies.
Oh yeah. Ah, look, they're like big, smaller, smallest.
Yeah. So we got babies on this one. How about on that side?
Same.
All babies, huh?
Same, and I don't
Looks
see her.
good.
Cool.
You don't see her, huh? Well, that's one frame. Sometimes if you want to grab it, well, yeah, see, that's where you run into the problem is when they, I don't know what I did with my marker. Oh, capped brood. Look at this.
Wow. And they're feeding them. Some that have them capped.
Yep, over here.
Wow.
More capped brood.
Cool.
I don't see her. Wait, hold on, go back. Let's just look for another minute. All right, so we got nice capped brood here.
Thank you.
So what do we got? 1, 2 so far?
Yes, with larvae and tiny ones.
This one will have brood for sure.
A little.
A little over here. Because it's all honey. Look, they built the honey and the brood and around this area here. They ignored this for some reason. I wonder why.
What is this one over here?
Where?
The big flower.
Where? That?
There, yeah.
That's a
Drone?
drone. Yeah.
Oh, you scared her. She jumped.
Yeah, I don't see the
There
queen.
is. There's lots of nice larvae. Oh.
Yeah. How about this side? No, I don't think they like this frame. I can't tell. I don't see much, do you? Isn't that interesting? They're not filling it. They
No.
might not like the frame. I might have to get rid of the frame if they don't fill it.
Now, what are some of the reasons they don't like the frame?
Well, they say the wax gets toxic after a while, but other people say that's a fallacy.
Well, they know better.
But
Than
they'll
us.
just stop using it, you know?
I don't know if they like this one either.
Well, this one's brand new. They haven't even touched it, have they?
Hmm.
Nothing.
They don't like
That's
it.
a brand new frame.
I'm surprised.
See, look, there's no more bees. Just honey. So that's all.
Hmm.
Wow. All right. Did we see eggs? We did, right?
We did.
All right. Wow. Not a lot going on here.
Nope.
So this one is still weaker, huh?
Yep.
Okay. So what do we have? How many frames of brood?
3.
Was it? And we couldn't find the queen again, huh? Amazing.
So that was 1.
One little one. Where is she?
Mystery. On strike.
Oh. Nothing over here.
That was the second one. And look, she has pollen right there.
Yeah.
And you say I wouldn't miss her, so
Well, we were both looking. Amazing that we're not. Might be the cold nights.
oh. Good point.
It's a weird year, you know, with these nights that are really cold.
So they're confused.
Well, we have to keep them warm. That's weird, though. Yeah, maybe we were just not. Maybe we're gonna have a late. This is solid.
There she is.
Yep. All right, there she is.
I found her.
Oh, she's fast. Looks good.
And this is the one with the baby.
Yeah, she's looking for places to lay. All right. Where is she?
Hold on. Right here.
Where?
Right here.
Yeah, she's looking for places to lay. All right, we got her in the middle.
She's not as fast as the other one, but she's there. We found one.
Yeah. right, Gav, pop that one in there. All right, we found the queen.
This is cool.
Got it. All right. Inner cover on. That's it. We got 2 hives. They're moving. Not fast, though.